This chocolate cake is so moist, it's so fluffy and so easy to make. You do not need eggs, you do not need butter for this recipe. Welcome back to my channel. Now this is my pan. You can use this kind of pan, you can use a round pan, whatever pan you have in your kitchen. I'm just going to grease it with melted butter and place my parchment paper at the base of my pan. After which we'll go on now to the next process. We are using 125 ml of vegetable oil. We are using 100 grams of sugar. And I'm just going to mix this together with my spatula. You can use whatever you have in your kitchen to mix. After which we're going to go on now to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or your vanilla flavor, 150 ml of warm milk. It is advisable you use warm milk because it will help dissolve your cocoa powder later on in this recipe. We're going on now to add in our dry ingredients. We are using 150 grams of your flour, half tablespoon of your baking powder, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and I'm going to sieve this into the mixture to form my batter. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen, do like and share, comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. Now, this is my batter. It is already fully mixed. I'm going to go on now to pour it into my pan. Then I'm going to bake in an oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. So this is me turning my batter into my pan. Tell me if you're going to try this recipe. If you're somebody that is allergic to eggs and you wouldn't want butter in your recipe, you can use your favorite vegetable oil of your choice. You can use olive oil or any vegetable oil you would like in your chocolate cake recipe, so you can skip the fats from your butter. I'm just going to place it in my oven now. I'm using 150 grams of your dark chocolate and 2.5 tablespoons of your milk. I'm going to just turn this continuously until it melts in boiling water, after which my cake is ready. Look at this cake, it's so amazing. I'm going to dip my toothpick or skewer into this cake to find out if it's ready, and when it comes out clean, you know that your chocolate cake is ready. That is that. Isn't this amazing? Have you watched to this point and you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen? Do subscribe, do like and share. Do comment. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Are you going to try this recipe? Do you want me to make a recipe like this for your regular vanilla cake or your red velvet cake or whatever cake recipe you would like that I'll have to skip the eggs and butter? If you'd like me to make another recipe like this, using this method, do comment in the comment section and let me know. So you can see how our cake did slide out easily out of our pan because I did grease it with butter. So that's for that. Now we're going to go on now to add in our melted chocolate onto our cake. If you're somebody that doesn't like melted chocolate, you can decide to skip this part. But why not add something extra to your chocolate cake to make it look better and more appealing and as well very tasty? So I'm going to add in now my melted chocolate to my cake. My cake is still hot. I didn't allow it to cool down because of this recipe. I do not have that time. But it also helps the chocolate to melt fully on the cake and to spread easily. So that is for that. Look at this amazing cake. It looks so good. This cake is so yummy and it is very satisfying. You can have it for breakfast or for dinner and you will love every bit of it. Now we are going to cut into the cake to see how it looks. It looks so good, guys. You will love it. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Good to have you here. See you next time.